Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are on our XV535. Customised this particular one. We fitted Harley handlebars, 1-inch bars, all the Harley chrome switchgear, changed the horrendous original headlight, put all the wiring in sheathing. As you can see, beautiful braided look stuff. All the wiring and all the relays, etc., hidden under this air filter. Okay, Harley style headlight, Harley style bars. As you can see, 1 1/4. Sorry, 1 inch bars. Nice risers, pullbacks. So very, very cool looking bike. Very good condition for the year. Very low mileage. I think it's only done about 14,000, something like that. But if you want to have a look round, give us a call. 01773835666. Alternatively, www.customcruisers.com. As you can see, progressive shocks fitted. Say beautiful switchgear. This is original Harley Davidson, but fancy chrome version, not the original at all, but it is the same thing where you basically press this once and your indicators come on, press it again, they come off. All the Harley cables modified to fit the 535, as you can see, all braided cables, braided steel all over. Very, very nice bike. Ideal, nice short. If you're short in the leg, these bikes are absolutely ideal. Very, very low seat height. Very popular with short people like me. The exhaust will be touched up, as you can see. It's all original. Very good condition. Bit of slight surface rust there, but apart from that, very, very valuable exhaust. You can, of course, fit slash cuts on it or other exhaust if you wish to. But if you're interested in this bike, or if you want anything customising like this, for instance, the mini Speedo, quite a lot of work of been on these bikes, because to wire the electrics up is quite a big job. But give us a call, 01773835666, www.customcruisers.com.